Hey, what's up guys? This is C0D Media. Today I have an unboxing video. Now, I could just use a regular utility knife that just got stuck. It needs to be greased. Okay, there we go. Or I could just use a regular knife, but I feel like being different. I haven't used this knife in a while. Anyway, and I just sharpened it. It's a buck knife. So I'm gonna use this with a buck knife. I thought I hit the camera. I'm trying not to get my hand because this is very sharp. Okay, this knife is just a little bit too big, so I'm going to put it away. I'll just use that. So on that side, Adesso. Sorry if I mispronounced that. Flexible mini keyboard. It's waterproof, washable, portable, and dirt and dust proof. It's USB and PS/2 compatible. It also has a little USB thing. So, gotta love the paper. I mean, I prefer bubble wrap. I mean, bubble wrap is fun to play with. So I'm going to go to the very bottom of the box and get the receipt. Okay, so get rid of the box, and I'm going to lower the tripod stand a little bit. So I haven't really done the introductory video yet. I just got this, so I was going to go ahead and get this in. I mean, as you can see, it's just dangling around. It's like almost pretty much indestructible, so I could like really want to I could just do this, pound on it, indestructible. So hopefully that works, or I just wasted $35 destroying that. Sadly, this over here, I could easily just put this out. But honestly, get it aimed at my laptop screen. And we gotta take another tie off the keyboard. And of course another one off the keyboard wire. There's the end for the old computers, and you can easily just take that off. USB compatible. USB 2.0, and just slide it in somewhere in the slot on the computer. Selling fresh driver software. That'd be a lot easier if I had the blind down and less of the driver. Ready to use, so we're going to open up a notepad and just start typing away. Just so you can tell I'm not using that, so you can sort of see the screen. I'm just going to place this over top of the laptop. Like so. Okay, it's working. And I'm going to actually put it back on the ground. As the keyboard actually registers all that. Poor computer. No, I'm going to actually slap it some more. And that actually it entered the help thing, and it just typed all of that and then press enter. So it's a pretty cool keyboard. I got it at Best Buy. Hang on a second, I'll put this back on the tripod and plug it. I'll have a link to it, link on Best Buy. The Best Buy link, it's only like $20 something about. Sorry if I got that price wrong. Very good keyboard. I'm going to guess from all the reviews I've seen. You can very mobile. Roll it on up. Put the wire in it. Roll it on up. And there you go. Keyboard in the palm of your hand. Well, in your hand. Heck, you could put it in your pocket if you really had to. Right now, I'm wearing pants. I'm gonna put it in my pocket. Maybe. Put it in my pocket. Now I just have some random thing sticking out, so that doesn't look suspicious at all. What I'm going to use this for is actually for my laptop, is for my desktop. Hey, that keyboard's back. Well, I gave my desktop keyboard to my dad, but probably just actually use it for Xbox. So that's what I'm going to be using it for mostly. So type on the Xbox and type on the laptop if I need to. You know what this says? This has been my review for my unboxing video. I might get a review in, but there's not really any point to get in a review because I just basically showed you everything that it can do. Basically the same regular keyboard, just a little bit smaller and waterproof, grease-proof. It'd be great for having in like dusty areas like factories and all that. Very portable. I'm going to be getting in my introduction video pretty soon. It's probably going to be next week. I upload a video about once a week.